Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. We're gonna take a break real quick from my hats and my things like that for the collection. I got sent something in the mail from a seller on Amazon that he wanted me to review. And you know me, I'm honest. You know, if I like something, I like it. If I don't, I don't. They always ask me to send a link to my video before I upload it. Not gonna happen because I don't wanna, have them tell me how to do my video, because if I like it, like I said, I do. If it's no good, I'm gonna tell you guys that if it's worth the buy or not. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna get into that and I'm gonna review it as I unbox it, let y'all see how it's working. Stay tuned. Alright, as I said, I got a little package from a seller on Amazon. I already opened it up. First thing first, I will tell this seller, which I haven't messaged them or anything yet. I probably will after I upload this video, because I want you guys to know they didn't put any kind of bubble wrap or anything for the packaging here. It's just a big box with the shipping manifest and the thing. That's the first red flag right there. That's a problem, because you could mess up the product like that and have it bumping around and just moving around like that. So, but that's not the actual product, that's the packaging, but it could affect the product. But that's the first thing I noticed. I'm gonna let y'all know about. So now, I don't know if this is the actual, well, it has to be, I'm figuring the company name, because the product actually has its own name, just reading on the manifest. And I believe the company is Worth, which is here on the product here, which you can see, that would be their name, I'm assuming. And the product description would be the IPX6 waterproof sport wireless earbuds, Bluetooth headset with built-in microphone and HD sound, which I'll be the judge of that. But let's go ahead and pop it open. Okay, get a nice little case with it, with the name on there again. Guess that's in here for just packaging purposes. Well, at least that's a plus. You get a free 1-year warranty. They let you know that in there. So that's cool. Company name, signature, and all that. And of course your manual. But I mean, you really don't need a manual, because for the most part, so they tell you how to do the functions, because on some things, functions may be different on, some earbuds than others. But all right, let's get into it. And this is how they're packaged. They look nice. I give them that. They definitely look nice. And of course, that's your extra buds and your charging cord. So yeah, they are nice. Let's go ahead and get into them. All right, and here you go. You got your regular buds. I will tell you this, just from an honesty point of view, these things are really sturdy. They're not flimsy by no means. So you can definitely look forward to that. Now this is me personally, like I said, I'm gonna give you an honest assessment. I've never been a big fan of these type of earbuds, if that's what you want to call them, because they do get kind of uncomfortable. And I haven't put them on yet, so I'm literally gonna put them on right now just to see how they are. I'm actually recording with my iPhone X, so we're gonna be using it with my Android. Pretty sure one phone's as good as another Bluetooth-wise, so it doesn't really matter. And the one plus about these two, you know how usually on most of these kind of buds, they have the microphone like attached here, what makes it heavy. These, the microphone is actually built in. And here's gonna be your charging port right here. You open it here and stick it in. And here you have your volume up here. So it does make everything pretty much kind of handy, where you don't have to hit a button sitting down and all that. So, but for the most part, they are very sturdy. So that's one like about them. So let's go ahead and put them on. We're gonna get them hooked up. We going live. So hold on just a minute. Turn my Bluetooth on the other phone. We're gonna get these put in. Yeah, most people put them to the back like when you work out and everything. Like me, if I do like them and they're comfortable, more than likely this is the kind of I would use like while I'm lifting weights or something, if we can get it on. Okay, first thing I'm gonna notice and I'm gonna tell you, when you put them in, they're definitely in. So these things are not gonna go anywhere. So I'm definitely already a big fan of that. Because like if I'm moving around, bending down, getting wasted, doing whatever I'm doing, you don't want to slide out or pop out. These things are tight. I can feel them on, so you don't have to worry about that. And like I said, they do come with the different size buds, you know, because everybody's ears are different, so that's a plus too. And of course, like I said, your charging cord. Now I'm gonna give y'all a rundown on a little sound real quick. Let y'all know how they're doing on sound wise. Oh, and another thing I'm just noticing right now, because I hear myself sound a little different. They have a pretty good sound resistance and sound blocker on them because they're so snug and they're good in your ear. Like, you know, most earphones, if they're loose, everything you can hear around you, you can still hear the sound different and everything. Not gonna lie, they're snug, they're in, and my sound, like the way I talk, is different. Like, you know what I mean? Like I could tell there's something clogged in my ear, which is if you have an earphone on, that's a good thing. Okay. Not bad. The sound in them are actually very, very loud. They have a little bass to them, which I'm pretty sure that's the focus everybody wants when they got an earbud. I mean, not that you know, it's not a good thing to play loud music directly in your ear like that, but the bass in them is pretty good. I can hear, of course, I'm listening to rap, so, you know, you're gonna hear the bass hit on a song, and it's hitting. I'm shocked. I've yet to hear. I never had like beat earbuds or anything like that. So I mean, of course, you know, you get what you pay for with those. But these are not bad. Not bad at all. And just looking on here, how they waived all the fees and everything. These are going for $19.99. I mean, it's not bad for the sound. So turn that off. Yeah, so for the most part, I mean, you know me on a 1 to 10 scale. I mean, like I said, just an honest, no BS assessment. I'm not a big fan of earbuds, as far as unless they're gonna be using in a workout thing. You know what I mean? Because I have my wireless headphones and everything like that that's completely sound blocked, so I'll use those before these. But now, if you want my opinion, if you're jogging, if you're working out, these are good, and for $19.99, it's not a bad price at all. I definitely run with it. You know, now that's my no BS assessment. Are they worth it? If you're a workout person and that's what you do, definitely go ahead and pick them up for $19.99 because they're gonna be sturdy. They got a good weight to them, and they got a decent sound for $19.99. You're gonna hear your bass hit. It's gonna block out a lot of sound, so they're definitely worth that. So in my opinion, 1 out of 10, I give them a solid 7. And the only reason I give them a 7 is because the only use I would get out of them, make no mistake, it's not a bad 7, it's a good 7. But the reason for my 7 is I'm not an earbud guy. So now, if you're using them for working or you're on the go and you're not a big fan of big headphones, definitely these are for you. You know what I mean? So that's my assessment of it. If you're a workout person or you're just not a fan of big headphones, these are not bad for $19.99 because you're getting sound, you're getting sturdiness, you're getting quality. When I found them on my Bluetooth, when I turned them on and hooked them up, my phone, and I'm not using my iPhone X, I'm using my Android. So, you know, people with Apple and Androids, I'm pretty sure if my Android picked it right up and found it, I'm pretty sure my iPhone would too. So definitely not gonna have problems hooking it up or anything like that. So for the most part, wireless headphone. And I'm looking on here too, surprisingly, they say they're waterproof. So I'm assuming they mean like from sweating when you're working out, which I'm thinking, like I said, these being so sturdy and heavy set, which is probably their main focus as a workout thing. You know what I mean? 'Cause I mean, I don't see anybody just going swimming in some of these. So when they say waterproof and not gonna damage them, I'm assuming they mean sweat wise, like when you're working out and doing that kind of physical stuff with them while you have these in. So I'm not gonna hold y'all up, man. That's my honest assessment of it. I give them a high 7. That's only because I'm not a fan of Buzz. But are they worth getting? Absolutely. They have good sound, like I said. I don't see these just falling apart because they have a good sturdy weight to them. So that's my assessment of them. Hopefully this will help y'all too. If y'all have any questions or anything, I'm gonna try to drop the link where to pick these up on Amazon down below in the comments. Any other comments or anything you guys need, wanna holler at me about how they do, anything more in depth I didn't touch on, definitely hit me in the comments. I try to get to all of them as I can. So with that being said, it's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. wireless earbuds, man. You know what? And actually, because I really don't use them like this, I'm probably gonna be giving them away. I mean, I actually, put them in my ear and use them and all that. So, I'll probably swab them up and get them back clean. But I'll probably be giving these away, man. Probably when I do my next video, gonna be a hat video. So I'll probably just drop something in there, a simple little question, see if somebody can get it or something like my favorite team or something like that, or just something I can think of. And the winner, probably get these shipped to you if you use them, because I mean, I'd rather have somebody have them that'll get a better use out of them than me. So stay tuned for that, man. Might be going ahead dropping a giveaway on the next video. But this your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next one, which it will be a next one. I got a lot to get to, man. So I'm out. Holla at me.